Does it get easier?
No. Yes. It gets easier. The more you know who you are and what you want, the less you let things upset you.
I need another story, something to get off my chest. My life gets kinda boring, need something that I can confess. Come by it honestly, I swear. Thought you saw me weak, no, I've been on the brink. So just paint the picture of the perfect place. They got it better than what anyone's told you. No, we've got it good, but they've got it made, and the grass is getting greener each day. Know that things are looking up, soon they'll take us down before anybody's knowing our name. Yeah, I know that everyone gets scared. I've become